This video is sponsored by TesStudio. If you guys are looking for anything aftermarket for your Tesla, make sure you check out the website. They're doing a summer sale right now, so a lot of their stuff is discounted. So make sure to hit that link down below in the description. If you guys are looking for anything for your Cybertruck, Model 3, S, Y, X. Is that it? An S. Did I say S?
I don't know.
I don't know. I think I said.
Okay, I don't know.
All your Tesla models. Today, they sent out their latest RC truck. This one is like the Hot Wheels one on steroids. So I'll have this linked down below as well, but they sent this out for us to try and we're gonna have some fun with it. So let's do a quick unboxing. Perfect. Let's take this baby out. Here it is. 4x4 on this side. Got our battery pack right here and our charger, our remote, and the main attraction. Oh my goodness. Dude, I have the original RC from Hot Wheels and we'll do a little comparison, little side-by-side comparison. But dude, this thing looks way more sick than that. It actually has suspension on there, the tires. This should be super fun. So we're gonna charge this up and we're gonna do a little messing around a little bit later. So thank you TesStudio for sponsoring this video. Make sure to click those links down below. We're outside now. We're gonna play with this TesStudio's RC car. We got the old Hot Wheels car right next to it. Let me show you guys the comparison. This is the Hot Wheels one, and this is the TesStudio one. Look at the difference. Let's see who survives.
Oh. Yeah, like nothing.
All right, Francisco, your turn. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait, hold up, I got you.
Dude, this one gets stuck so easily. Oh yeah. Too much power.
How's that feel, Francisco? Not good.
It's stuck again. Look at that, like nothing.
Obviously, you guys know which one's better. Don't be like this guy.
This thing sucks.
Sponsored by Cliff. I invented the Cybertruck remote control. Link in my bio.